Dear students, you have already received the story, his first flight, and I hope you have read it thoroughly. Now I am going to introduce the story with main theme. Listen carefully. After that, we will explain the story. His first flight is a story of hesitation, trial and error, and finally getting success in the end. It is an interesting story of a hesitant young seagull. Young seagull, a seabird, name of a seabird. While his two brothers and sister had already learnt flying, but his fear caught him and he was unable to learn how to fly. He saw his mother, father, his brothers and sister diving in the sea, getting their food. But due to fear, he not sum up some courage to fly and remained behind. He was extremely hungry, but he was so afraid of death that he could not fly. After that, his mother made a plan, made a trick to fly him. She caught a piece of fish in her beak and reaches near the young seagull. Though he was already very hungry and he saw the food in her in his mother's beak, he became happy and wished to take that food. But at the same time, he was just at the time to take the food. His mother passed away, turned there, and doing this, he make an attempt to catch the food, and unwillingly, after a saggy start, he spread out his wings and started flying upwards and downwards. It was his first flight. The author gives a message that no one gets success instantly. Repeated trials and errors lead ones to get success. Though it is an imaginary story, it is not a real event, it is an imaginary story. And it's convey the message that one learns by taking courage and not sitting idle. The young seagull fed lovingly by his parents, but when the times come for him to fly, he feels afraid. His parents try many tricks to fly him, but he is so afraid that he refuses to fly. At first, he is terrified. After his mother, though at first he is terrified, but then he opens his wings and starts flying. And he is happy to see that he did not fall. in the sea. In the way the young seagull learns how to fly. The same thing happens to the life of an individual. When we make attempts to get something, some type of fear or hesitation comes into our mind or thought, but we have to overcome it. We have to suppress our fear and then we get success. Okay.